Hey there, welcome to Dotstore. Let me ask you something. Are you still manually calculating extra fees in your WooCommerce store? Shipping costs, payment surcharges, gift wrap fees? It gets complicated, right? Now, imagine this. What if your store could automatically apply the right fees at the right time without writing a single line of code? Meet the WooCommerce Extra Fees plugin by Dotstore. It's the easiest way to add flexible, automatic fees that show up exactly where they should. At checkout, no manual updates, no developer needed, just smart fee rules that run your store on autopilot. You can add fixed or percentage-based fees, order processing fees, gift wrap options, 10% deposit charges, whatever fits your model. To create a new fee rule, just click the Add New button, enable the fee, provide a title, and set the amount. It's that simple. Want total control? Use our conditional logic rules to show fees only when they're relevant. You can add conditions for country, city, or state, specific products or categories, user roles like VIPs or wholesalers, cart value, quantity, or weight, even shipping or payment method. Set it once, let the plugin do the work. Now, let's see how it works on the front side. First, add a product to your cart. Boom! Deposit fee appears here. Now let's switch the country to the US. You can see the processing fee is active. Moving forward, let's go to the checkout page by clicking here. If you have enabled any optional fees, such as gift wrapping fees, you can see that here. Customers can add it with a single click. Alright, let's bring this down to the real world for a second. Got a retail store? You could be charging for gift wrapping, weekend delivery, or even same-day shipping. Run a service-based business? Add rush consultation fees or charge extra for same-day appointments. Selling wholesale. Apply small order surcharges, white label packaging fees, or custom handling charges. Whatever your business model, there's a smart fee strategy that works. Now, here's the fun part. Let's talk numbers. Say your store processes around 100 orders each month, and your average order value? About $200. Now imagine just adding a simple 10% fee strategy, things like gift wrapping, handling, or express delivery. Boom! You've just added $2,000 in monthly revenue. That's $24,000 a year, pure profit. And the ROI? You're looking at over 30,000%. Not a typo. Even a $3 optional fee can snowball into thousands when applied smartly. So, what are you waiting for? Smart fees, no code, no tech headaches, just revenue that runs itself. Try out the WooCommerce Extra Fees plugin from Dotstore. Launch the admin demo now and see exactly how much you're leaving on the table. Go ahead, test it risk-free. We built this for store owners just like you.